My cat stares at an empty wall, leaving me completely baffled, y'all. What does she see that I do not? A ghostly mouse or a phantom spot? Crazy cat, what's on your mind? Stare at the wall like it's divine. Do you see things that I can't see? Or is it just your kitty mystery? She sits so still, eyes open wide, a little furball staring stride. I wave my hand but she won't blink. What's in her head? Oh, how she thinks. Crazy cat, what's on your mind? Stare at the wall like it's divine. Do you see things that I can't see? Or is it just your kitty mystery? Crazy cat, what's on your mind? Stare at the wall like it's divine. Do you see things that I can't see? Or is it just your kitty mystery? So keep on staring, little friend. Your wall watching will never end. I'll just sit and watch you too. In your world of walls, it's just us two. Crazy cat, what's on your mind? Stare at the wall like it's divine. Do you see things that I can't see? Or is it just your kitty mystery?